Hello everyone, it's me Renjitha. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, a special thank you to all who are supporting me in my art journey. I started Skillshare a few months back and now it's reached 500 students. It's all because of your support and blessings. I value every word of appreciation that you guys provide. This video is for anyone who is new to my channel and wants to know more about the courses. Here is a brief of the available courses on my Skillshare. Each course includes basics, free pattern and downloadable worksheet. There are 8 courses available now. These 8 courses are on different surfaces like canvas, fabric, acrylic papers, wood, cardstock, etc. In addition to free worksheet, I provide project work with every class and provide step-by-step instructions and guidance to complete each section of the course. I hope you can learn the painting technique quickly, and if you wish to learn my painting technique in detail, join today. Anyone who join my class using the referral link will get 1 month of free access to all my courses. A corresponding referral link is given in the description box. If you have any queries regarding the course details or sign up procedure, please let me know in the comment section or you can email me. I have given all the details in the description box below. Alright, let's join today and see you in my class.